Hey guys, welcome to Tennessee College of Applied Technology in Livingston. We're here in our collision repair program. We're going to show you around some of our facility and some of our projects we got going on today. We're here in a classroom right now. You can see that we've got every student laptops for whenever they first enroll. They can do their online book and workbook. They no longer have to read out of a book and workbook anymore. Engages them better, gives them better learning experience. It's a whole lot better of an enjoyment for them as well. We're going to walk around outside. We're going to show you some of our tool rooms, paint booth, frame rack area, some of our new additions to our equipment and everything like that. So,
within the last year, we knocked out our welding booth to add a little bit more storage, our hood rack and our bumper rack, to add a little bit more space into the shop.
Alright, we're in our tool room. In here we have our various sanders, buffers, power tools, various kits, heat guns, just power tools and stuff in there. We've got our plastic repair cabinet here. We've got our everyday hand tools and power tools and stuff, welding helmets.
Here we are in our material room. We keep all of our body fillers, our epoxies, our sandpaper, anything we need to use material-wise, everything's in here that we need.
This is one of the ongoing projects we have in the shop. It's a Ford Ranger with fiberglass bedside. This side was busted in half. We're replacing it. The opposite side is being repaired. We are blending the repair panel into the front half of the truck. This is another one of our ongoing projects. We've already painted the hood and the roof. We're spot priming all the damaged areas and pre-painting the entire car. This is one of our projects. It was crushed in the front of the fender, and as you can see, we pre-painted the whole side of it. And
this is the paint booth, which it is a fairly new paint booth to us, and it's set up for waterborne with fans in the corner, so that way we can spray up-to-date paint. And we've got a project going on right now. He's about to clear coat.
we're standing here at our frame rack area. You can see that we've kind of updated a lot of our frame rack chains and clamps and accessories. However, the one thing that we would like to upgrade is our frame rack itself. We would like to have a newer one so it would be kind of more current to the industry standards, and whenever they leave training they would be more workforce ready and more ready to go. The other two items we're asking for on the list, which would actually greatly help our program out, would be the two Pro Spot machines. One, the aluminum repair station. The other one is the Pro Spot welder. Comes with the silicon bronze, aluminum, and MIG attachments where we can weld on high strength steel, aluminum vehicles, and steel vehicles all in one. And they would be more current training, and they would be more workforce ready when they graduate. So I feel like those are our biggest needs as far as our program goes. We really do have a great facility. We have great equipment. We have great students. And just with the upgrade additions of those few items, I think we could really tremendously benefit our students and improve our training for our community area. Okay guys, we've given you a tour of our facility. We've showed you our classroom, our tool rooms, material rooms, frame rack area, paint booth, some of our projects that we've got. And we've asked for our certain items we would like to have so we can greatly benefit our program and our training. So very much thank you for the opportunity to fill out this grant, and we look forward to hearing from you.